Wow! Wonderful pupils! How are you all today? I trust you're having fun at home. My name is Mrs. Sarah Solomon, your Nursery 2 teacher. Good. Today we'll be learning numeracy or mathematics, and our topic for today is dynamic addition. Our topic is dynamic addition. Don't forget, previously I told you addition means put together or count together or add together. So, our topic for today is dynamic addition. Okay. Before we start counting our numbers together, what is dynamic? Dynamic addition involves carrying over one number because the sum of two numbers is greater than 10. Dynamic addition, I said, it involves carrying over one number because the sum of two numbers is greater than 10. Good. Let's proceed. Now, children, I have some questions on the board, and I'm going to teach you to add together. Don't forget, I said dynamic addition involves carrying over one number. If you look at the questions on the board closely, you will observe that they are big numbers, unlike the smaller numbers we counted when we did simple addition. So dynamic addition involves big numbers. Okay, now let's start from the very first one, number 1. What do we have here? We can see the questions we have on the board. And don't forget, our topic is dynamic addition. Good. Now we are going to add up these numbers. And after adding up the numbers, we'll carry over one number. Are we good to go? Good to go, good to go, good to go. All right, children, you're going to count along with me. You're going to help me count these numbers together. We are going to count with our counters. What number is this, wonderful children? This is number 5. So because it's number 5, we are going to draw 5 counters. Now count along with me. Good. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go to the next number. This is number 5. Now we are going to draw 5 counters. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we've drawn out our counters. What do we do next? We are going to count them all up together because addition means add together, count together, or put together. So we are going to count them together. Now let's count them together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many counters did we count? We counted 10 counters. Now, you are not going to write down your 1 and 0, 10. You will come somewhere on your paper. You write 1 and 0, 10. And then you take a good look at it and pick the very first number on your right hand. The very first number, show me your right hand, children. This is your right hand, the hand you scoop food with. Okay. So, good children, we've counted these counters, and then we got number 10. So what do? You pick the first number, the right hand side, and the first number is what? The first number is 0. You pick your 0 and then you write it here. 0. So which number is left here? Number 1. Should we leave it all alone? No, no, no. What should we do? Okay. Don't forget, I said dynamic addition involves carrying over one number. So you pick your number 1 that is left and carry it over. Take it over and then you add it to number 4. Children, 4 fingers and 1 finger gives us what? I want you to count it quickly. Your 4 fingers and 1 other finger, add them together. What is the number? Number 5. Good. Because 4 plus 1 gives us 5. So you cancel 4 because 4 has become number 5. And then you write here number 5. And so because 4 has become number 5, don't forget, we took a number, we carried it over, and we added it to number 4. And now number 4 has become number 5. What do we do next? We are going to draw 5 counters for number 5 and also 3 counters for number 3. Good. Now let's draw 5 counters for number 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what number is this? This is number 3. Let's draw 3 counters for number 3. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3. So what do we do next? We are going to add them all up together. Now let's add them up together. Count along with me. Let's start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is what? 8. So we come here and then let's use the blue marker and then we write number 8. And the answer now is what? 80. Beautiful. Interesting, isn't it? Let's go to the next one. The next one. What number is this? Don't forget, children, whenever you're adding up, we start from the right hand side so you can get your answers correctly. Now we're starting from the right hand side. And the top first number we have here is number 6. And then the one below is number 5. We are going to draw 6 counters for number 6 and 5 counters for number 5. Let's draw the counters together. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Let's go to the next one, number 5. Because it's number 5, I'm going to draw 5 counters. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Children, what do I do next? Can you tell me what to do next? Alright, we are going to add them together because addition means adding together. Good, let's count them all together. Count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So how do we write a number 11? 1 and 1 is 11. So you write it somewhere. Don't forget, I told you from the beginning that you have to write your answer somewhere. So you can write it up here. 1 and 1, 11. So after writing your answer, what should you do next? Don't forget to pick the first number on the right hand side. You pick it, and the first number here is what? It's number 1. I'm picking number 1. I picked 1 out of the 11. And then we still have one left waiting for us. What should we do? I told you all you need to do is carry it over. Now I'm going to carry this remaining number 1 over. I'm carrying it over. It's going, it's moving. Good, and it stops here. I'm going to write it here 1. So, what do? We are going to add up number 5 and number 1. I'm going to help you count it out. We draw 5 counters for number 5 and 1 counter for number 1. When you add them together, it gives you number 6. Children, are you going to count with your fingers, or I should write it out for you? Now I want you to count it out with your fingers. 5 fingers and 1 finger. I've taught you to count with your fingers, so I know you can do that because you're so brilliant. Have you counted? I'm waiting. What's the answer? 6. Beautiful. The answer is 6. So what should we do? You cancel your 5 because number 5 has become number 6. So you come here and you write 6. Good. And what should we do next? Draw 6 counters for number 6 and 4 counters for number 4. Now let's draw 6 counters for number 6. Count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wonderful. And then we go down to this other number, which is number 4. I'm going to draw 4 counters for number 4. Count with me, children. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what do we do next? Can you tell me what to do next? I should count them all together. Wonderful. All right, you're going to count them together with me. Let's count them all together. Let's start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we come here and write 1 and 0, 10. Good. Now let's go to the next one quickly, children. Let's go to the next one. Let's see the numbers we have here. Okay. Let's start from the right hand side. Don't forget, I told you, you should always start from the right hand side, your right hand. Okay? So from the top, what number is this? This is number 7. This is number what? 7. Alright. I'm going to draw 7 counters for number 7. And then what number is this, children? This is number 3. And I'll also draw 3 counters for number 3. Alright, let's start from number 7. Count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. We've drawn 7 counters for number 7. Now let's go down to the next number, which is number 3. How many counters should we draw for number 3? 3 counters. Beautiful. Now let's draw 3 counters together. 1, 2, 3. Good. We've drawn 3 counters together. What do we do next? Can you tell Mrs. Sarah what to do next, please? Alright. We're going to count them all together. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The answer is 10. I'm getting number 10 again. No worries. You're still going to add them all together. So the answer is 10. What should I do? Tell me, should I write 1 and 0 here, 10? Should I go ahead and write 1 and 0, 10? No, no, no. What should I do? I'll write it here. 1 and 0, 10. Good. And I've told you, all you need to do, pick the first number on the right hand side. And what is the first number I'm going to pick? Is it number 1? No. Okay, then the number 0. It's number 0. Good. I'm going to pick 0 and I'll write it here. 1 is all alone. It's feeling so lonely. What should we do to number 1? Okay, I'm going to use the red marker to indicate our carryover. So you're going to pick number 1 and move it slowly, gently. It's going, we are carrying over, we are moving it, and then we took it to 6. So number 6 becomes number what? Okay, 6 is kind of a big number, so what should you do? You have number 6 on your head, and then you add number 1 to number 6. 6 in your head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you added one number to number 6. So after number 6 comes number 7. So the answer is 7. So all we need to do, we are going to cross out number 6, and then this has become number 7. Good. Can you see it very well, children? We've written number 7 here. So what should we do next? We are going to draw out 7 counters and also 4 counters. Let's draw out 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good. Now let's go to the next number, which is number 4. Let's draw 4 counters for number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So children, don't forget, I said addition means count together, or put together, or add together. So we are going to add them together. Count along with me, children. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many counters did we just count? 1, 1, 11. So what do? We come here and write our answer, which is 11. Good. Children, I hope we are having fun. Let's go to the next one. What number is this? This is number 8. What should I do? I draw 8 counters for number 8. Don't forget, we'll always start counting from our right hand side. Okay, let's draw 8 counters for number 8. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's go to the next number, which is number 4. We're going to draw 4 counters for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are going to add them all up together because it's addition. Now let's add them all up together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down and continue. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So our answer is 12, which is 1, 2, 12. So we come here and write our answer, which is number 12. So children, which of these numbers should I pick first? Is it this one or this? Which should I pick first? I can hear you say number 2. Okay, let me pick number 2 because it's on the right hand side. Let's pick number 2, and I'm going to write 2. I've written down 2. So what should I do to number 1? I will carry it over to number 7. Alright, you're going to carry it over with me as we move it over. We've picked number 1. Number 1, we are moving you over. You're carrying over, you're going over, you're going over. Good. So we've carried over number 1. And don't forget, I said, any number you've carried over, you add it to the number that was already there. So number 7 is already there. It's already here, waiting for number 1. So what should we do? We add them all together. So 7 in your head, you have number 7 in your head. I've taught you how to count it and having numbers in your head. So we are going to count with the big number, which is number 7, up in our head. And then we add 1 to it. Count along with me as you nod your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we've added 1 number to it. It becomes what? 8. So the answer here becomes number 8. You come here after cancelling off the 7 because the answer is no longer 7 there. It becomes number 8. And when you get your answer, what should you do next? You're going to draw 8 counters for number 8. Now children, we're going to draw 8 counters for number 8. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. So what number is this? This is number 2. How many counters should I draw here? Should I draw 6 counters or 4 counters? No, no, no. It's number 2. So we should draw 2 counters. Okay. We're going to draw 2 counters. Count along with me. 1 and 2. We've drawn 2 counters for number 2. We are going to add them together. Let's add them all together. Count along with me, wonderful children, as we add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our answer is what again? Our answer is 1 and 0, which is number 10. So, our answer is 10. We have 2 here and we have 10 here, which gives us 102. Wow, wonderful children. Did you enjoy the lesson? I'm sure you did. Good. Don't forget, our topic for today is dynamic addition. Our topic for today is dynamic addition. And I said addition means put together or add together or count together. And I explained what dynamic addition is all about. I told you dynamic addition involves carrying over 1 number because the sum of 2 numbers here is greater than 1. So we had to carry over 1 number. And we added it to the number that was here. We counted them together and then we got the dynamic addition number. And of course we added everything together and it came out wonderful. So good children, right now I'm going to give you a home package, your homework. And I do know you're going to get it correctly. So let's come over here for your homework. You're going to do this for me. You're going to add up these numbers. I have here some numbers. You have 6 here. You have 5, which is 65. You have 2 here, and you have 5. You're going to add up these numbers. Don't forget, while adding up, always start from the right-hand side. And then when you get your answer, you write it somewhere, and then you pick the very first number, the right-hand side. Good. I know you will get it correctly. So when you've done that correctly, you send it to my email address or to my WhatsApp number. Better you send it to my WhatsApp number, which is, I'm going to write it out for you, 080 633 47316. This is my WhatsApp number. Send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.